Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. This video, I want to talk to you about what you need to know and what you should be doing as an employer. If you get a call, whether it's in the middle of the night, middle of the day, that one of your employees has been arrested and potentially charged with the crime. First piece of advice is don't panic. That's not going to help the situation. This person or their family member, their loved one's calling you for a reason because they trust and respect you and they want to share this information with you. So you want to try and keep your composure as best as possible, no matter how dramatic this may be and no matter what emotions you may be going through, because you as the boss, you as the employer need to be better. You need to keep your emotions in check. Next thing is, and this is a mistake we see far too often. Imagine one of your employees gives you a call from jail and you accept the call. Hey, whatever you need, I'm here for you. Great. But then you make the mistake and start asking, what happened? How'd you get into this mess? On a jail-recorded phone. Who do you think is listening to those jail-recorded phones? The cops? The prosecutors? Don't do it. Be there to support. Don't be another agent of interrogation. There may be a time and a place when you want and may very well deserve those answers to the questions that you have. It's not when your employee's in jail. It's not when they're calling you from a secure or an unsecure and recorded line. Save those questions for another day. And the last piece of advice I could tell you is make sure, you're a rock. You're their resource. You may be able to look at this a little more objectively than they can, or their spouse can, or their kids can, or their brother, or their sister, or their parents can. Do your own research. Ask around other like-minded professionals. Hey, generally speaking, who would you go to? What firm can you trust? What firm can I trust if I ever needed somebody? And look at it from the perspective of an employer, from a business owner. Look at the things that matter to you. What similarities or differences do you see in the firms out there? And maybe go to your employer and say, hey, here's a couple of firms I did some research on. I think you should reach out. Or maybe even reach out for them. You don't always have to support someone financially. You could support them emotionally. You could support them spiritually. You could just let them know that you're there and you're not judging them for the mistake that they are accused of making. So we hope this video has been helpful. If you're an employer out there and one of your employees gets in trouble, you get that dreaded call, how to handle it, how not to make the mistakes that so many people do. If you have any questions about a criminal matter in San Diego, whether for yourself, for a member of your team, friends, family, whoever, we are just one phone call away. 619-295-3555.